In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Lightbox from Wix. If you're cleaning up your website, removing old pop-ups, or just simplifying the visitor experience, deleting a Lightbox in Wix is a very quick process once you know where to look. The important thing to understand is that in Wix, Lightboxes are usually managed from the site's page and pop-up area inside the editor, so that's where we'll begin. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor so you're in the site edit view. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top left area of the editing screen. This section contains the main navigation tools for managing the structure of your site, including pages and pop-ups. From the top left, click on Pages. This will open the panel that shows the different parts of your website. Inside this panel, you'll be able to browse more than just standard pages. What you're looking for here is the pop-ups section, because that's where Wix stores your Lightboxes. When you find the pop-ups section, look through the list and locate the specific pop-up or Lightbox that you want to remove. It's a good idea to pause for a moment and make sure you've selected the correct one, especially if your site contains multiple Lightboxes for things like announcements, promotions, or sign-up forms. Next, hover your mouse over the pop-up page you want to delete. As you do that, more options will appear beside it. Look for the three-dot icon, which opens the additional settings menu for that item. Click that icon to reveal the available actions. From the menu that appears, choose Delete. This will remove the Lightbox from your Wix site. If Wix asks you to confirm the action, go ahead only if you're sure, since deleting the wrong pop-up could mean having to recreate it later. That's all you need to do. The process is simple. Open the editor, go to Pages, find the pop-up section, hover over the Lightbox you want to remove, click the three dots, and select Delete. Before you finish, it can be helpful to quickly review your site and confirm that the deleted Lightbox is no longer part of your setup. This is especially useful if the pop-up was connected to a promotion or a specific visitor action. Keeping your pop-ups organized makes your Wix site easier to manage and helps create a smoother experience for visitors. And that's how to delete a Lightbox from Wix.